As concerns about climate change and environmental sustainability continue to grow, the automotive industry is undergoing a massive transformation. One of the most exciting innovations in this transformation is the rise of hybrid cars. These vehicles combine internal combustion engines with electric motors, offering the best of both worlds, fuel efficiency and lower emissions. By 2025, hybrid cars will evolve to meet the demands of a more sustainable future, becoming even more efficient, powerful, and affordable. In this video, we'll explore how hybrid cars are evolving, their benefits, and why they are an essential part of the future of transportation. A hybrid car is a vehicle that uses two or more power sources to move the car. The most common hybrid configuration is a combination of an internal combustion engine, ICE, and an electric motor powered by a battery. The electric motor assists the gasoline engine, helping to reduce fuel consumption and emissions. There are three main types of hybrid vehicles. Full hybrids can run on the electric motor alone, the gasoline engine alone, or a combination of both. Mild hybrids. The electric motor assists the gasoline engine but cannot drive the vehicle on its own. Plug-in hybrids, PHEVs, have a larger battery that can be plugged in to charge, allowing for longer all-electric driving ranges. Hybrid cars combine two energy sources, offering a balance between performance and environmental sustainability, making them a practical choice for the modern consumer. Hybrid cars offer numerous advantages over traditional gasoline-powered vehicles, including better fuel efficiency. Hybrids consume less fuel because the electric motor assists the gasoline engine, especially during stop-and-go driving and low-speed cruising. Reduced emissions. Hybrid cars emit less carbon dioxide, CO2, and other pollutants, helping to combat air pollution and reduce the vehicle's carbon footprint. Reduced dependence on fossil fuels. Since hybrids use electric power alongside gasoline, they reduce the amount of fuel needed for driving, contributing to a more sustainable future. By offering greater fuel efficiency and lower emissions, hybrid vehicles are helping to pave the way for a more environmentally conscious transportation system. The hybrid car market has been steadily growing, and by 2025, it is expected to see even more widespread adoption. With the demand for eco-friendly vehicles increasing and government regulations tightening on emissions, hybrid cars are becoming a mainstream option for consumers. Key trends in the hybrid car market for 2025 include broader model availability. More car manufacturers are offering hybrid versions of their popular models, including SUVs, pickups, and sedans. Lower prices. As technology improves and production volumes increase, the cost of hybrid vehicles will continue to decrease, making them more accessible to a wider range of consumers. More charging stations for PHEVs. The expansion of charging infrastructure will make it easier for consumers to use plug-in hybrid vehicles, PHEVs, allowing for longer all-electric driving ranges. By 2025, hybrid cars will become an affordable, practical, and mainstream option for those looking to drive sustainably without sacrificing performance. One of the biggest advantages of hybrid vehicles is their ability to significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions. By combining electric power with gasoline engines, hybrid cars can achieve lower CO2 emissions. Hybrid cars release less carbon dioxide than traditional vehicles because the electric motor handles part of the driving load, reducing the reliance on gasoline. Fewer pollutants. Besides CO2, hybrid cars produce fewer harmful pollutants like nitrogen oxides and particulate matter, helping to reduce air pollution in urban areas. Energy efficiency. Hybrids recover energy during braking, storing it in the battery to power the electric motor, further enhancing fuel efficiency. By 2025, hybrid cars will play a significant role in reducing global emissions and improving air quality, helping cities meet environmental goals and move towards sustainability. As hybrid technology advances, we can expect several exciting developments in 2025. Improved battery technology. Hybrid vehicles will feature larger, more efficient batteries, increasing the all-electric range of plug-in hybrids and improving overall vehicle performance. Smarter hybrid systems. Future hybrids will come with AI-driven power management systems, which will optimize when the electric motor and gasoline engine should be used for maximum fuel efficiency. Lightweight materials. Automakers will incorporate lightweight materials like carbon fiber and aluminum to reduce the weight of hybrid cars, improving fuel economy and performance. The next-generation hybrid cars will be even more efficient, powerful, and eco-friendly, thanks to continuous advancements in battery technology, materials, and AI-powered systems. In conclusion, hybrid cars are poised to play a key role in the future of sustainable transportation. By 2025, we can expect advanced hybrid technology that will offer greater fuel efficiency, lower emissions, and more affordable options for consumers. As the demand for eco-friendly transportation grows, hybrid vehicles will be an essential solution for those looking to make a difference without sacrificing performance or convenience. Whether you're commuting in the city, taking a weekend road trip, or reducing your carbon footprint, hybrid cars will offer the perfect balance of efficiency, performance, and sustainability in 2025 and beyond. Title: In recent years, the world has witnessed the from to and now the is making its mark. By 2025, electric trucks will be offering and more solutions for transporting goods. With advancements in and the drive for, these trucks will be better suited for both and. In this video, we will explore how electric trucks are changing the future of the of 2025 and how they fit into the toward. And is powered entirely or primarily by electricity stored in unlike traditional trucks that run on or. These trucks use instead of internal combustion engines to drive the wheels. The key differences between electric trucks and conventional trucks include, without the noise of a traditional engine, electric trucks are much improving in urban and residential areas. Electric trucks offer to traditional trucks, changing the way we think about hauling goods in the future. Electric motors provide instant torque, which means electric trucks can accelerate quickly and handle with ease. Electric trucks are now capable of towing, making them suitable for tasks. As the demand for electric trucks grows, several automakers are leading the way within 2025. Let's take a look at some of the 1. 14,000 pounds, and 2. 10,000 pounds, and 3. 11,000 pounds, and One of the biggest driving forces behind the rise of electric trucks is the environmental impact. Over there, electric trucks can contribute to reducing, especially when paired with for charging. Electric trucks represent a significant shift toward reducing the overall of the hauling industry. Electric trucks which can lead to significant savings over time, especially for companies. In many areas, businesses operating face strict fines. By switching to electric trucks, they can and be part of the Electric trucks aren't just for commercial hauling, they're also gaining traction in the world. As electric trucks offer more power, better, and they're becoming the go-to choice for enthusiasts. Electric trucks provide an opportunity to explore the great outdoors while leaving a minimal environmental footprint. They're perfect for anyone looking to get off the beaten path in a more way. Despite their electric trucks still face several. While electric trucks may offer, their initial is often higher compared to diesel trucks, which can make it challenging for some businesses to make the switch. Despite these challenges, the is evolving rapidly, and by 2025, solutions to these obstacles will likely be in place. As continues to evolve, electric trucks will achieve, enabling. As more manufacturers enter the market and the cost of electric trucks will likely decrease, making them more accessible to businesses of all sizes. In conclusion, electric trucks represent the future of hauling, offering, and, by 2025, Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more content about the future of sustainable transportation.